Understanding when to use discussions in English. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on debates and discussions. Today we'll be focusing on a critical component of this topic: when to use discussions. As we navigate through this concept, we will help you understand when it's most appropriate to use discussions in English. A discussion involves a conversation or a debate on a specific topic where the participants share their perspectives, ask questions, and express their thoughts. Unlike a debate where the primary objective is to convince others about a particular standpoint, discussions aim at exploring various aspects of a subject and gaining a deeper understanding. It encourages open-mindedness, as everyone's input is considered valuable. Now, let's move to the core of our today's topic. When should we ideally use discussions? In a collaborative environment. Discussions are most effective in a collaborative environment. If you're part of a team working on a project, discussions can help pool ideas, ensure everyone's views are heard, and promote collective decision-making. For problem solving, another important application is problem solving. When you're dealing with a complex issue, having a discussion allows for a diversity of perspectives that could lead to innovative solutions. For learning and teaching, discussions are also vital in learning and teaching scenarios. They can stimulate critical thinking, clarify misunderstandings, and deepen understanding of a subject. For building relationships. Finally, discussions are a great tool for building relationships. They promote active listening and empathy, essential elements in establishing and maintaining healthy relationships. Once you've identified the right scenario for a discussion, it's also important to know how to participate effectively. A successful discussion requires active listening, open-mindedness, respectful communication, and the willingness to adapt your viewpoint when presented with compelling arguments or facts. Remember, the goal is not to win, but to learn, solve problems, or build relationships. And that wraps up our lesson on when to use discussions. I hope this has given you a better understanding of when and how to use discussions effectively in English. The key takeaway is that discussions are all about collaboration, learning, and mutual respect. So, the next time you're faced with a problem to solve, a subject to learn, or a relationship to build, don't shy away from starting a discussion. Until next time, happy learning!